Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. A lot of you asked one of my gadgets that I use for my day-to-day work after seeing my intro video. I thought I'll do a quick video to show my productivity desktop. Have a look at this teaser and after that I'll go through each one in a bit more detail. First, let's start with the monitor. To multitask, I like to have multiple monitors or ultra widescreen monitor. This allows me to open many windows at the same time and work efficiently. I'm currently using 49-inch ultra widescreen 5K resolution monitor, which I believe is no longer available in the market. And this is combined with the Moom App, which allows me to rearrange the size of the window at the push of a few keys. This is a perfect combination to increase my productivity. Allow me to show you a demo. Second is the laptop. I use 16-inch MacBook Pro, which is released in 2019. It comes with a 2.6 GHz Intel Core i7 processor, 16 GB RAM and 512 SSD storage. I was a bit irritated because just 6 months later they launched a M1 type MacBook Pro version, which is much faster than the one I'm using. Oh well, I'm happy with this. It's fast enough to complete my work. I use Iqunix F96 Keyboard. I purchased this a few months ago. It took some time to get used to it, but as soon as I got used to it, it was really good, well ergonomically designed. And the best part of this keyboard is I like the mechanical sound. It has an excellent Bluetooth connection and it can easily connect 3 computers and switch it between them. Above all, it allows me to type faster. It's something I'm working on the background to improve my typing skills. If you want to learn more about this keyboard, just follow the link in the description below. Fourth is the mouse. And I use 3DX connection CAD mouse. It is both Windows and Mac compatible. It is very ergonomically built and very user friendly, as you can see. This mouse is widely used in CAD world. It is too costly to justify using it for everyday use, but I would say it is worthwhile. It's incredibly efficient and quick. It doesn't put any pressure on my wrist, and it saves me time, especially while I'm working on my CAD models. If you're not a CAD user, I will advise you to look for a mouse that's more appropriate for yourself. For taking notes, I use 10.5-inch iPad Pro, and I got this 5 years ago and it's still going strong. I never needed to replace a new one as it still fulfills my day-to-day tasks that I need to complete. Taking notes, I use the Notability App. It is a fantastic app. I highly recommend it, especially for those who takes notes electronically. Give it a try. You never know, you might fall in love with it. I hope you found my productive desktop video useful. Being an engineer, I always try to be efficient in what I do, and that has been deeply ingrained in my heart. Always ask yourself, how can you improve your task? And remember, time is valuable, so you don't want to waste time on something that can be done quickly. I hope you enjoy this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.